Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about how to make a holiday book. Now, this is a really fun activity to do with family members, do something creative, to come up with a gift that can be for one particular person. So start out by giving each member of your family that you'd like to participate a piece of holiday stationery, and ask them to write about a memory of sharing the holiday with this family member. For example, if you're giving this gift to your grandmother, you might have all of her grandchildren and children write a special note about one memory that they have of sharing the holiday with her. And encourage people to come up with funny memories or really special memories that will make reading the book a lot of fun. So distribute the stationery to the members of the family who will be writing their memories, and also give them a date that you'd like to get the stories back so that you have time to assemble them. When you get the pieces of paper back from your family members, you can bind it in a notebook, a 3-ring notebook, or staple it together. Come up with a way to make it look festive. Create a cover and use some illustrations. Illustrate it with some photographs of holidays in the past, sharing the holiday with your grandmother or whoever the book is for. And you'll have this beautiful memory to present for the holiday, which will be something that will be enjoyed by everyone for many years to come. So this is a little bit of information about how to put together a holiday memory book.